Hello friends, welcome to my channel Praveen Karlapudi. In this today's session, we are going to learn elements from 1 to 30 elements. We are going to learn from 1 to 30 elements, all the elements. Okay? All the elements we are going to learn with symbols, atomic mass, and also atomic number. We will learn element and its symbol and its atomic mass and its atomic number also. Now let us learn. In this video we are only learning first 30 elements. In the next video we are going to learn 30 to 50 elements and so on like that till 118 elements. I will explain fully. Okay, first one is hydrogen. Hydrogen is a gaseous element. Okay, it's a gaseous element. Its symbol is H and its atomic mass is 1 and its atomic number is 1. That means the first element is hydrogen and its symbol is H and its atomic mass is 1, atomic number is also 1. Okay, the second element is helium. The symbol of that helium is He. Okay, the symbol of that helium is He and the atomic mass of the helium is 4 and the atomic number is 2. For easy learning, I think I made a video how to learn atomic masses from first element to 20th element, very easy. I did a video. Do check it out or click the I button given here, okay, to get that video, or you can get that video at the end of the video, at the end of this video, okay, or you can check the description also for that video. Okay, next, the third element is lithium. The symbol is Li. Li is that symbol and the atomic mass is 7. The atomic number is 3. Atomic numbers are nothing but the numbers which are in order. Okay, the order of the elements. We should remember like that. The order of the elements is their atomic number. Whose atomic number? Element's atomic number. Okay, next, the fourth element, beryllium. The symbol is Be. See, if you observe here, all the symbols, all the symbols, see, those who are having two letters, one is capital letter and another one is small letter, yes or no? When we are writing symbols, we should write like this only. For helium, that means which is having two letters, we should write the first letter as capital letter and the second letter as small letters, which is having two letters as a symbol. So helium, think helium, the first letter is capital and the second letter is small, like this it should be. See, lithium also, the first letter is capital and the second letter is small letter, like this beryllium also. Okay, next, boron. I think beryllium not completed. Beryllium, its symbol is Be, its atomic mass is 9, atomic number is 4. Its atomic number is 4. Now next, boron, its symbol is B. Okay, and its atomic mass is 11. There are masses, but they are in points. For approximate value, I made these things and showing to you. Okay, now its atomic number is 5. Next, carbon, the symbol is C and the atomic mass is 12. Atomic number is 6. Okay, nitrogen. Nitrogen, the symbol of the nitrogen is N, and the atomic weight of the nitrogen is 14, and also the atomic number is 7. Okay, now next, oxygen. Oxygen atomic number, symbol is O, atomic weight is 16, and the atomic number is 8. Okay, next, ninth element, it is fluorine. Fluorine means the symbol of fluorine is F, and its atomic mass is 19. Its atomic number is 9. Okay, now the 10th element. 10th element is neon. Its symbol is Ne. See, you can observe here, N is capital and E is small. Okay, now atomic mass is 20. Atomic number is 10. Okay, I said to you before only, there is a secret to learn these atomic masses. Okay, I made a video on this atomic masses, do check it out. Okay, I am repeating once again. First element is hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. These are first 10 elements. Let's study about next 10 elements. See, sodium, 11th element. Its symbol is N. Na, not N, Na. Its symbol is Na. Now, its atomic mass is 23. Atomic number is 11. Okay, its atomic mass is 23 and atomic number is 11. Next, magnesium. Its symbol is Mg. Its symbol is Mg, and its atomic mass is 24. Its atomic number is 12. Okay, next, aluminium. Its symbol is Al. See, I am repeating once again. For sodium, N is capital and A is small. Don't forget to write like this, because you may lose marks in your exam if they ask the symbols. Okay, now next, silicon. Aluminium is not completed, I think. Aluminium, its atomic weight is 27 and atomic number is 13. And next, silicon. Yes or no? Silicon. Wait a minute. Silicon, its symbol is Si. Okay, and next, its atomic mass is 28. Its atomic number is 14. Okay, next, phosphorus. Its symbol is P and its atomic mass is 31 and its atomic weight, that means atomic weight or atomic mass means 31 only. Its atomic number is 15. Okay, next, sulfur. Symbol is S, only S, nothing. For silicon, it's Si. Okay, now its atomic mass is 32. Its atomic number is 16. Next, chlorine, that is Cl. Its atomic weight, that means atomic mass, is 35.5 and its atomic number is 17. Okay, its atomic number is 17. Next, argon. What is that? Argon, that symbol is Af. A, not F, AR. Its atomic mass is 40. Its atomic mass is 40. Next, its atomic number is 18. Okay, its atomic number is 18. Next, potassium. Potassium, its symbol is K. At the end of this video, I will explain you why they wrote here K, and for sodium why they wrote here Na. They can write SO or something. Why they call like this? At the end of the video, I will tell. Okay. Next, its atomic mass is 39. Its atomic mass is 39 and atomic number is 19. And calcium, 20th element is calcium. Its symbol is Ca. Ca is that calcium. And next, its atomic weight is 40. Its atomic number is 20. I think you can understand. Let us read all of those. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. These are 20 elements, from 11 to 20 elements. Okay. Next, let us go to 20 to 30 elements. See, we got here scandium. Yes or no? Scandium, that is 21st element. Its symbol is Sc. Its symbol is Sc. Its atomic weight is 45 and its atomic number is 21. I think you can understand. If you want this, you can take a screenshot. You can off this video and take a screenshot for more experience. Okay. Now, atomic weight is atomic number is 21. And the 22nd element, titanium. Its symbol is Ti. Ti is that symbol. Okay. Ti is that symbol. Next, its atomic mass is 48. Its atomic mass is 48. Its atomic number is 22. Its atomic number is 22. And next, 23rd element is vanadium. Its symbol is V. Its atomic weight is 51. And its atomic number is 23. Okay, next, chromium. Its symbol is Cr. Okay, here also you can see first letter is capital and the second letter is small. Okay, next, its atomic weight is 52 and its atomic number is 24. 25th element, manganese. Mn. Its symbol is Mn. Next, 55. What is 55? Its atomic weight. Next, 25 is that atomic number of manganese. 25 is the atomic number of manganese. I think you can understand. Now let's go to iron. 26th element, iron. Iron means Fe. I think everyone know what is iron. It's a metal. Okay, next, 56 is that atomic mass and 26 is the, what is 26? Atomic number. Atomic number of iron is 26. Okay, next, cobalt. Its symbol is Co and its atomic weight is 59 and its atomic number is 27. And next, nickel. Its atomic its symbol is Ni and its atomic weight is 58.6 and its atomic number is 28. Its atomic number is 28. Now let's go to copper. 29th element, copper. its symbol is Cu. Its atomic weight is 63.55. 63.55. Its atomic number is 29. Okay, next, zinc. Its symbol is Zn. Okay, and its atomic weight is 65.4. Actually, accurately, its atomic weight is 65.3146. Like that it will. Okay, these are the first 30 elements with what? Symbol, atomic mass and atomic number also. Okay, I said to you that before I will explain what is this here, nothing here. Next, what is Na? Na, I said to you that what is Na? Na means natrium. Its Latin word is natrium. So they kept Na as its symbol, natrium. Remember that, natrium. And let's go to here, K, potassium. That's symbol is K. Why it is K? Because its Latin name is Kalium. 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 So they call it as K, and they put the symbol as K and name as potassium. Okay, next, let us see next one. What is the next one? Okay, next one, scandium, correct only. Next, titanium, chromium, manganese. Next, iron. Iron means it has two names, Fe. It has two names, ferrous and also ferric. Okay, they call ferrous and also ferric. So they put as Fe and we call it as iron. Okay, next, the copper. There is COPP here, but they put as Cu. Why they put as Cu? Because it is cuprum. Cuprum. So they put it as Cu. Okay, I think you can understand. For fully explanation, I will read all the elements only once. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Okay, these are the 30 elements we have learned now. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Praveen Karlapudi, for more videos like this. And also, not only like this, you can get on physics, maths, chemistry. Like that, you can get every video in my channel. For more updates like this, click here to subscribe to my channel. Praveen Karlapudi. Thank you.